Hi, this is the second part of this video. Here I show you a bit advance of this tutorial. So here you can see I will create this page. You can see I will create this page. I'm going to replicate this section here, the hero section, and later I will do this. So let's start. Let me first pick up the colors. I already set the colors here and the logo. So let me create the variable. In Figma you can create the variable which you can use it later. So let me create the variable. I will create the variable for the each color: green, light green, gray, and black and white. So let me create the variable. After that, again I need to create the frame, so press F or manually create frame from the right side. So let me press F. So I am making the width 1600 and height now 2000. So let's start it. Let me first create the menu. You can change the color from here. Then add to auto layout, but just miss, so let me align it so it will auto layout perfectly. Auto layout, now it looks good. Let me reduce the size a bit. Spacing, you can adjust the spacing between the each menu. Let me take the logo. Now I will create the button. Then again shift A or add to auto layout. Now add a background color. I already created a variable, so add green and text white. Let me check the padding. You can add the padding from the right side. Up and down and left and right. Left and right should be double from the up and down. And radius, a rounded corner. Let me make it 60 so it is good. Let me put some effect, a drop shadow, it will look good. I am keeping the color green and increase the blur a bit. And reduce the opacity of the green. Now our button is ready. Let me measurement the distance. So it is 1440. So everything will be inside this grid. So let me add some guide. You can command R or Ctrl R to active guide, and the text will be another section, so it will be 1100. The text, everything will be 1100, but menu and logo and navigation menu will be in 1440. Now let me get the guide layout. So you can see, you can right click and set column. Generally we take 12 column grid, and let me margin 250, so okay, and cutter 24 distance between each column. For my better visual, let me reduce the opacity to now. Checking the height of this section, let me create a rectangle again. Now it's look good. Let me put it to the edge of this. Again put auto layout. And should be a space between, so same space from right side and left side. But I think menu is not centered properly, so let me fix it. I added a auto layout around this button and make it same size as the logo. So same width, I think same width, so everything will be centered now. Everything will be centered. Let me show you with the help of the rectangle. You can see everything is centered now. It's perfectly centered. Now I will add this image. Let me add this image here. Let me add overlay so you can see the white text and logo clearly. Now do the heading, hero section. Yeah, looks good. Let me create the text style with this so I can use it later. Because the subheading, you can duplicate command subheading. 18 pixel and reduce this width and shift auto layout middle. Yeah, that's good. Spacing a bit spaced. Yeah. You can lock, right click and lock, unlock. So let me create this button. Green color again, and change the padding height. Need to put it in auto layout again. Oh, let me add an icon first. You can use this plugin first for icon. You can find all the icons right here. This is a good free plugin for the icon. Let me flip it. Need to add height and width. Yeah, I need to add border radius, so it will be circle. Yeah, good. Now put auto layout, hit 10, or you can manually right click and put auto layout. Now let me check the distance and to be spaced. And this is good. I need to add the fill color, so let me add the fill color. I already set the variant. Yeah, it will be white. Now let me add padding. Padding. Bit. Yeah, looks good. Again, border radius, and the icon need to move right. So need to adjust the right padding. In this menu, you can adjust the right padding. Now let me create a component, so we can use this button later. So add local component, and I will put this button in component. Let me put it in component. Create component, so I can use this button later. Hero button. Yeah, here you can see the button is appear, so you can use it later. So put in everything auto layout. Let me adjust the spacing a bit. Now let me add some color to the header, so I can see. So let me add some color. You can also add gradient, so you can see also add gradient. So I will reverse the gradient, so the green portion looks good at the bottom. You can reduce the intensity of the gradient, something like that. So green brush looks good. You can keep like this also. So let me experiment a bit. Let's see how it's look if we change the color to green. Yeah, in green it's look nice. Let me check. Thank you. Thank you for watching for this video. I will later convert this in Framer, so let's tune. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.